Hi everyone. This is the second day of school, August 8th, the 18th. A reminder for yesterday. I know we had a lot of problems with Canvas yesterday. I'm giving you an extension to have that work done by Sunday of this week. But there's some things I need to remind you of. Please remember there are two sets of 2-column notes. You have two videos, one on doing 2-column notes and one on Flipgrid. You are supposed to produce a set of 2-column notes for each video, and you need to post that to your assignment on Canvas. Now, Flipgrid is working with no problems, and there's the code for it. Okay, all you should have to do is click on that code and do your Flipgrid video where you introduce yourself and tell me something that you treasure, someone that you treasure. Lastly, on Canvas, you should have 2 closing questions for today. For the work that you did today, you have 2 questions to answer. And those should be submitted on Canvas. Now, those do not have to be in 2-column note form, but they should. All your work should be written in complete sentences with correct punctuation and capitalization rules. So once again, on Canvas, you have 3 things that you need to post. Those 2 sets of 2-column notes and your answers to your closing questions for today. And then also on Flipgrid, you're supposed to do a video. As I told you before, there may be a code/link. It could be either one. I've given you a link to make it easier for you, and all you have to do is click on it. Okay. Canvas assignment for 8/18. Okay. You're going to read The Treasure of Lemon Brown. It is found on Common Lit. Okay. What I would like for you to do is to do one set of 2-column notes. You're just going to jot down some information about the plot, the setting, the theme, the characters, the point of view. And you're also going to jot down any unfamiliar vocabulary. Now, following you reading that, there's a graphic organizer that you need to complete. There is a screenshot of the graphic organizer, and there's also a link that you can go to do your work. Now, this graphic organizer, if you use the link, you have to make a copy of the Google Docs before you start typing in. If you start trying to type in on the one that is already posted on Canvas, you're going to mess everybody up. So please, please, please remember, I'm telling you, make a copy of the graphic organizer. Then you can do your work. Now, your 2-column notes from The Treasure of Lemon Brown, along with your graphic organizer, along with your closing questions for today, need to be submitted onto Canvas. If you have any questions, please contact me. Thank you. Let's have another great day.